this video, we are going to see that if you want to find your YouTube channel ID on your phone, how can we do this? So for that, we won't be able to do this from the YouTube applications like YouTube Studio or YouTube application. So what we can do is just head over to the browser, and here you need to write youtube.com/account and hit enter. Now from here, just choose your relevant account. If you're not using this account, you can just head over and change it to switch to another account. So let's say I'm using this account, and from here, let me just zoom it a little bit. And from here, we need to go to view advanced settings, and there you go. You have your user ID and your channel ID right here. So you can just copy this channel ID and use it wherever you need it. And that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel because that really helps me out, and I'll see you in the next one.